So student, now we are going to complete our letter I, okay, I and T, okay, with the polar method command. Here your dimension is given 4, 4 and 1. Means this will be automatically 1. So you have to calculate that dimension, okay. It is very simple. So I will start from this particular point and travel along एंटी क्लॉकवाइज ऐसे ऐसे जाएंगे बच्चा, ओके। ये देखो ये ऐसे जैसे माउस हिला उस टाइप से जाएंगे। तो यहाँ से शुरुआत करेंगे, यहाँ से निकलेंगे, ओके। सो लाइन आई हैव टेकन फर्स्ट कमांड लाइन, ओके, एंड स्टार्ट फ्रॉम दिस पर्टिकुलर पॉइंट। सो एट द रेट नीचे का लाइन 4 का है तो 4 एंड एंगल विल बी 0 बिकॉज आई रिक्वायर अ हॉरिजॉन्टल लाइन, ओके। नाउ एट द रेट ऊपर का डिस्टेंस जो है वो 1 है, 1 angle will be 90 at the rate 1 angle now will be 180 student, 180. See, automatically your profile get drawn, okay. At the rate 4 angle will be again 90 because we have to travel along vertical side, okay. At the rate 1 angle now 0. See, at the rate 1 angle 90 again. Now you require a long line. So at the rate that line will be of distance 4 student and angle will be what? You have to go left side. So 180 degree, 180. Again at the rate 1 angle will be downside, so 270 degree. At the rate 1 angle will be what? 0. See here. At the rate again 4 angle will be what? 270 student. 270. Again at the rate 1 angle now again it will be 180. Okay. And for last conclusion, what you can give? C for close or either at the rate 1 angle will be 270 and here again you have to press double enter. So complete the line. Now student, we will learn trim command, trim and offset command, okay. So for that what I am going to do, how I can make this box, for that I will take a rectangle, okay, rectangle. And this box I will make with the help of polar at the rate 5 angle 0, okay. At the rate 5 angle will be again 90, okay. At the rate 5 angle will be student 180, okay. And C for close. Now what I require number of lines at a distance 1 1 1. I require line, vertical line I require, suppose. So student, go to the offset, very important command here. Here you can see the offset command in modify. Offset, go to the offset and here in command area you have to specify the distance, okay, here. So I require a distance 1. So I am entering the value 1 with the help of keyboard, okay, and enter. Now what it is asking, select the object. So now I have to offset this line, okay. Click the line and select the side. 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 Same procedure for the horizontal line. Click, 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 click. This is your offset command, student. Offset. Using offset you can make this type of boxes, okay. Now suppose you require this type of shape or this type of shape, okay. So I will copy this. I will just copy this command. I will copy this job. Okay. Now suppose you require a T or you require a I shape, okay, or you require a E shape. So just trim is an important command. Trim is a very important command. Suppose through this shape you require a T, only T. So what you have to do? Go to the trim, boys, again in modify. Trim command. Trim means cut karna, okay. Whatever portion you require that you have to keep, okay. Trim. Select the total job. select the total job, say enter, and then click on the part which you do not want. ये पार्ट नहीं चाहिए मुझे टी के लिए, ये भी नहीं चाहिए, ये भी नहीं चाहिए, ये भी नहीं चाहिए. Just click on the area which you do not want, and your tea will be ready. Like this, you can here suppose you require a I suppose, okay. So what you will do, go to the offset, okay, and this line you will offset by distance 1. I will offset this distance 1, okay. Now I can get a I. So for getting I, trim, select the shape, enter and trim whatever area you don't want. So this is your I command, I letter with the help of trim and offset voice. This also you can draw with the help of polar method, but this is our trim and offset method, okay. Here suppose you require a E, so what you will do, directly go to the trim, okay, enter, and delete the lines which not require in the E shape. देखो जस्ट क्लिक करो, ओके. इसको क्लिक कर सकते हो, ये ऐसे क्लिक करो तो ऑटोमेटिक लाइन इरेज हो जाएंगी. और जो बची हुई लाइन जो है, अभी ये लाइन ट्रिम नहीं होती, तो इसको क्या करना है, बिंदास इरेज में जाना, कमांड बंद करके इरेज में जाओ और ये तीनों को क्लिक कर दो, एंटर. फिर से इरेज करना है वो लाइन, इरेज ऐसे क्रॉस विंडो भी दे सकते हो ऐसे सिलेक्ट करके. So you will have a E letter, okay. Like that you can make this shape. This is just trimming option. Trimming you use smartly and you will get a different shape. देखो इसको कैसे बनाना है. This is my last exercise, okay. Go to the trim, select the job, enter. Now what you have to do? You have to just trim the corner. Initially, first trim the corner. See student, just trim the corner. Then this box, this shape, this middle line you have to trim. Middle line you have to trim. Okay. Now middle box you require. So delete this. Okay, delete this, and you will get an inside box. Now trim this remaining line. So you will get a fine shape of drawing. Okay, like this you have to use a polar method and trim and offset method to make a different shape and different sizes or different letters. Okay, so this is very important command. So keep this in mind. Okay, degree and angle procedure, student.